Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export a lovable design to Figma and turn your website into an editable design file. So this is useful if you want to edit website layout, change text, adjust images, or continue designing inside Figma. So before starting, make sure your lovable website is published and available through a public link. First, open your lovable project and click the publish button at the top. Choose a domain name or let Lovable create one for you. In under website info, make sure the access permission is set to anyone. Then click publish. If the site is already published, just click update and wait for it to finish. After that, copy the website URL and now open Figma and create a new design file. Click the actions button at the bottom, go to plugins and widgets, then search for HTML to design. So open the plugin and click run. And once the plugin opens, paste the Lovable website link into the field and click import. So a settings window may appear with options like auto layout, local styles, and variables. You can leave everything on default, then click add to canvas. So wait for the import to finish. Once it loads, close the plugin, and then your Lovable website should now appear inside Figma as an editable design. You can click on text, images, sections, and layers to make changes directly. And that is how you transfer a lovable design. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.